Hello, my friends. Chef Blondie here. I have a very special treat for you today. I'm going to introduce you to a friend of mine who has a great talent for cooking. I met Susan almost 10 years ago, and it was at a church picnic. And of course, she brought one of her favorite dishes to share. And it was at that picnic, after just one sample of her cooking, that I knew I had met someone very special. There have been many gatherings since then, and I've learned about Susan's amazing ability to please the palate and to bring joy to a meal. Susan and her husband Walt live on a farm in Washington, Virginia, where they raise sheep. But it's not just a farm. No, Fairley Farm ranks among the best bed and breakfast in the Blue Ridge. We know this to be true because my sister and her hubby stayed there twice, and we got to enjoy breakfast with them. Susan's breakfasts weren't just good, they were spectacular. So instead of talking about Susan's food, let me share one of the many recipes from her Fairley Farm favorites. My hubby and I have chosen Susan's Orzo Lamb Salad. It's not a breakfast recipe, but it gives us a chance to use some of the delicious lamb produced right there on Fairley Farm. So, my friends, let's get cooking. Happy cooking. The first thing we'll do is prepare the dressing. In a small bowl, combine olive oil, chopped mint, lemon juice, minced garlic, salt, and pepper. Then set aside. Now that the dressing is ready, we move on to the main ingredients. Sauté cubed lamb in olive oil to your liking, then set aside. Prepare orzo according to the package directions. Just before the orzo is finished cooking, add broccoli to the orzo. Cook for about a minute, then drain. In a large bowl, stir together the orzo broccoli mixture, lamb, feta cheese, olives, and scallions until blended. Add the dressing and toss the mixture to coat. Spoon the mixture onto a large serving platter. We chose to serve this Orzo Lamb Salad with tomato slices and pita crackers. I'm sure this recipe and Fairley Farm bed and breakfast will please you as much as they have pleased hundreds and hundreds of guests. After all, as the Serendipity Farmhouse Test Kitchen proudly proclaims, it's all about hospitality and fantastic food.